Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to send photos as document in WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. If you want to send photos as document, you just have to press here. You can see here document. Press on this. Now select your picture and press on send. That's it. So this is how to send photos as document in WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.